since we was small. T-Mac had the type of game that we both wanted, but it ain't look as promising when your growth started. Still, you was putting in work. Remember, got cut from the team, you was hurt. Things got brighter when you caught a little spurt, but you still was a knucklehead doing wild dirt. That said, on the court you still couldn't be checked. Going for the heat check, went from a reject to the country's #1 prospect. Had a good chance to get your family out the projects. Still remember when you went away to camp. Cash was excited, had the whole hood amped. From the get, jumping wet, it was damn till you had a game when it splashed in your face by a future champ. Then it seemed like your dreams got deflated. Deterred by them birds out nice, getting faded. Took pride in being ignorant instead of educated. When if you kept your head on straight, you would've made it. Now the shit is dumb whack. And overweight 30-something trying to make a comeback. Draft night all over again, sitting around waiting. Watching all-stars on the outside, hating like more ugly in this world than an attractive girl who's cool with just being beautiful. Wants to be on a big screen but ain't developed any useful skill. All attempts have been futile. Don't have any real tools you can utilize. And God's just trying to smash, feed and utilize. That's the motto. You tried to model, but the director was brutal about your size. In my eyes you was right though. Stupid ass still went and got lipo. Self-image negative like typo. Your head they gassed it. Got your tits and your ass did. And your zips and blasted. By some shady ass doc, that bastard. Taking thirst pics, only thing you mastered thus far. Clown saw your followers, said that he can make you a star. Only good for bringing coffee. Had your goofy ass in the booth singing off key. Got the opportunity to act. Was a small role, you couldn't even do that. Now you back up in the trap. Last cat that you let tap, had you clap. Running in place in a race, getting lapped. Women running things, only thing you running is your yap like. Started with $1 and a dream. Now you can holler, you can scream. It's not like you ain't have a good team. Fought hard to get you all the right placement. Came a long way from doing songs in the basement. Rhyming on public access. Lawyers close the deal, accountants do your taxes. Always had dreams of going to the top. 10 years later and you still ain't pop. Silver platter and you still can't eat. All the hot features and mad good beats. Going dumb hard, trying to chase a hit. In the studio with writer's block, can't pen shit. Sinking deep into the cesspool. Now your little man's more successful. First came to you for gems. They used to open up for you, now you open it for them. Time starting to turn to fade. Getting older, you should probably learn a trade. Or work in music in a new capacity perhaps. Not everyone's supposed to rap.